Hi there. In this video, I want to give you a quick tour of the AskNicely platform and show you how leading companies are using customer feedback to drive real growth. AskNicely is an AI-powered customer experience platform built for multi-location services business. Our customers use it to create always-on feedback systems where AI continuously collects feedback, analyzes sentiment, and automatically triggers actions that strengthen reputation, retain customers, and drive growth. Let me show you how that works. Everything starts with collecting feedback. Most platforms think of feedback as just surveys, but in reality, customer feedback comes from everywhere. Ask Nicely collects feedback through SMS surveys, emails, QR codes, web links, but that's just the beginning. We also bring in feedback from online reviews, social media mentions, employee notes, call transcripts, and other customer signals. So you're not just measuring feedback for one place, you're evaluating the entire full voice of your customer. One of the most powerful parts of the platform is our AI-powered dynamic surveys. So gone are the days of boring research-style surveys. Instead of asking static questions, Ask Nicely surveys adapt in real time. The conversation evolves and it becomes based on what the customer says, just like a real conversation would. This approach has dramatically increased response rates and gives most of our customers 3 to 6 times more qualitative insights or verbatim comments than traditional surveys. Another key capability is in-survey review capture. Traditional companies have to send multiple follow-ups asking customers to leave a review. But with Ask Nicely, the moment a customer shares positive feedback, the survey dynamically routes them to leave a review on the most relevant local listing. If the feedback is negative, the system instead routes the customer directly into a recovery workflow, so you can address the issue before asking for a review. Because the real challenge most companies have isn't a lack of reviews, it's a lack of high quality, trust building reviews. Once feedback is collected, the next challenge is making sense of it. Traditionally, this has meant building dashboards and manually analyzing reports. With Ask Nicely, insights are AI powered and automatically surfaced for you. Instead of configuring charts or widgets, the system highlights the most important trends, issues, and opportunities across all of your locations, teams, and customer segments. Executives can see high-level experience trends, while managers get insights specific to their own teams. But one of the newest capabilities is our Ask Nice AI companion. Instead of searching through dashboards, users can simply ask questions. You can ask things like, what are the biggest drivers of negative feedback this month? How does this location compare to last quarter? Show me the trends by region. Or summarize what customers are saying about our service. The AI instantly generates summaries, charts, comparisons, coaching suggestions, and recommended next steps. So instead of missing insights hidden in dashboards, every employee can simply ask and get answers immediately. Of course, collecting and analyzing feedback is only valuable if you act on it. Ask Nicely makes it incredibly easy to respond and recover when something goes wrong. Feedback can automatically route to the right person or department. A billing issue can go to finance, a product concern can go to product, or a service can go directly to a local manager who's responsible. Now, with AI-assisted responses, Ask Nicely can even generate responses automatically using your approved tone, language, and messaging guidelines. This works not only for survey feedback, but also directly for online reviews, allowing you to manage and respond to feedback all from one place. And coming soon is our Recovery AI agent, which will autonomously manage service escalations, open and close cases and tickets, retain at-risk customers, and dramatically reduce your operational workload. Because often your best customers are created not when things go perfectly well, but when something goes wrong and you make it right. Once feedback is understood and issues are resolved, the next challenge is actually creating lasting behavior change. This is where most organizations struggle to scale their customer experience programs. Ask Nicely helps organizations drive transformation by focusing teams on the behaviors that matter most. So Ask Nicely's Nice AI can identify key focus areas like friendliness, responsiveness, or speed of service based on the customer feedback that's happening in those specific teams, regions, or locations. The platform then autonomously notifies teams about the focus area and begins measuring whether those behaviors improve over time. See, this is where the real magic happens. Your individual surveys will dynamically adjust and update their messaging and questions to validate whether or not that specific focus area is changing or improving in that specific region, location, or team. So instead of waiting months to see if training worked, you see results within the very next customer interaction. Frontline employees can see how they rank against their peers, they track their feedback, they can celebrate customer shoutouts and understand exactly where to improve. And soon, we'll be introducing our coaching AI agent, which will deliver in the moment coaching and insights directly to your team members. Imagine a returning patient or customer walking in and your employee instantly knowing how that customer scored their last experience and exactly what will make the next one even better. That's how real behavioral transformation happens. Finally, the last stage of the flywheel is turning great customer experiences into literal growth. AskNicely's online reputation management portal allows you to track and manage your presence across all local listings, all from a single portal. You can see where you need more reviews, where you need higher quality reviews, and how your locations compare against competitors or peers in local search rankings. Because one of the byproducts of great customer experiences isn't just happier customers, it's more customers. More customers through better reviews, stronger referrals, and a reputation that attracts new businesses. Ask Nicely powers the entire growth flywheel, collecting feedback, analyzing insights, responding and recovering quickly, transforming frontline behavior, and turning great experiences into growth. When this flywheel is running, companies improve customer experience faster than their competitors. If you're looking for more reviews, stronger retention, and a smarter way to scale your customer experiences, Ask Nicely is here to help.